Hey there, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Have you ever logged into Microsoft Edge with a work account, or maybe a friend signed in on your browser? And now you want to remove that profile completely. Maybe you're switching to a new Microsoft account, or you're just tired of switching between profiles every time you open Edge. Whatever the case, removing a Microsoft Edge account profile is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. This will show you all the profiles currently added to Edge. Now, click Manage Profile Settings, or you can type this in the address bar directly. Edge, Settings, Profiles. You'll see a list of profiles on your browser. Look for the one you want to delete. Maybe it's your old work email or a shared account. Click the three dots next to that profile and then choose Remove. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure, because removing a profile will also delete its browsing history, saved passwords, extensions, and settings. If you're okay with that, click Remove Profile again. And that's it. The profile is now completely removed from Microsoft Edge. Quick tip: if you're signed into a Microsoft account and syncing data, make sure you've backed up anything important before removing it. Also, if you want to clean up more, head over to Edge, Settings, Chart Profiles, Sync, to manage what's being synced across devices. So now your browser is cleaner, more organized, and only showing the accounts you actually use. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.